Hi, welcome to fixing this B200, and it's a turbo. Okay. So the problem with this car is it's a Mercedes. It has a rattle at startup. The problem is it's only at cold start, and when you fire it up, it has a really bad rattle coming from the engine. It sounds like a diesel engine. It sounds like the valves are clacking or a bearing is rattling all over the place, and then it goes away after like a few seconds, and it won't come back. It won't come back until you do another cold startup. So that's the symptoms, and we're going to try and find the problem. What I believe after some research is it is the timing chain tensioner. And crazy enough as this may sound, it is probably so simple to change. It's easier than changing an air filter on this car. That's how easy it is. So the timing chain tensioner is right. I don't know if you can see it. Right there. You can see the logo, the Mercedes-Benz logo on it, and it's very accessible. There's only 2 bolts holding it in, and that's it. Nothing's in the way. This is going to be a very simple swap out of a part. I'm going to test it first before buying a new one. I went to the scrapyard and I picked one up. So here's the one I got from the scrapyard. Seems to work okay. There were 2 other B200s in the scrapyard. When I pulled those ones out, these were stuck down. So I'm pretty much expecting the same thing from that one. When I pull it out, it'll probably be stuck down. However, the ones in the scrapyard, when I did finally get them out, I just pushed down on this and whoop, they popped back out. So I don't know. This one seems to be working okay. We're going to swap it out. And if that solves the problem, I'll probably buy a new one, and yeah, we'll go from there. Alright, so let's get started. First things first, pluck the cover, pops off. Pop off the cover. And as you can see, very accessible. There it is. Alright, got a Torx. This is a, what, an E8, I think. E8 Torx. There's only 2 bolts holding in. I can get the back one first. Alright, put the ratchet on the first bolt. Let's see where we can crack this baby. Oh, that was easy. Very nice. Well, it's super loose now. I'm gonna take it out by hand, I think. Well, it's not pushing back because the front bolt on this is still holding the tension. So it's really easy to get this back one off. Doing it by hand. Not a very big bolt. Oh, I got it. There you go. Very easy. Let's try and get the other one. The front one's right there. Very accessible. You can see it. Very simple. Also very loose. Not that loose. There's a gasket on there. I don't want to lose it. Gasket. Where's the gasket? See a little gasket there? You can see that right there. Just pull off real slow. Get it out of there. Let's take a look at it. There it is. Oh, you see that? Oh, you didn't see it. It just popped up. It was stuck down and then it just popped up. Oh yeah, it's very, that's not good at all. And in comparison, you can hear the clicking where it's getting stuck. You can see my thumb click. It's supposed to be smooth. Let's check out the one I got at the scrapyard. There's it. See, this one's nice and smooth. No clicking or anything. Let's see if they look the same. This one looks like it pops out further than this one. Interesting. Bad boy on there. Obviously it's a spring loaded. It's you have to push it down in order to get that first bolt on. So you just come through the hole here with a screwdriver, push down here, push it down far enough that you can thread on that first bolt. Alright, I just changed it. Let's fire it up, see if it rattles. Yeah.